Update review for the Basenor Tesla Model 3 sunshade for the glass roof, both front and rear.
It's that time of year. The sun is out. It's time to put up the roof shades. These Basenor sunshades fit into this nice bag. I love it. They're in there because they're folded, but when you take them out, be a little careful. There you go. Be careful. And then here's the other one. There you go. The Basenor sunshades come in 4 different pieces. 2 of them are the mesh, and 2 of them are the reflective sunshades. And the way to install it is through these little elastic pieces on either side. Now, some of the reviews say that these, are a little chintzy. I don't see that at all. I think these are very well attached here. Now, these are held in place by clips, and they're really easy to put in. Just clip them on, just like that. That little piece is going to go between the glass and the roof. And the reflective panel will go up against the glass. Okay, so you can see how the clip goes in right between the glass and the roof. So the shade that covers the rear window obviously hangs in suspense in the back here. There's no place for it to clip in. And some people have said that, or been concerned, that this hangs down and blocks your view. As you can see, it really doesn't block your view. And looking through the rear view mirror, it really makes very little difference. What I do, however, is I put the clips back here along the side as far back as I can go within about 3 inches of the very end, so that keeps them hanging there. And that really hasn't been a problem at all for me. I've had no issue with seeing out the back of the car with these shades up. So at the end of the summer, the sun goes away and you're ready to put it away. It's very simple. Fold everything up. We take the short ends, put one hand here, and then twist in opposite directions. So there we go. And then it'll start to, you're going to just keep twisting it until it just kind of naturally wants to fold on itself. Same with this one. Just keep twisting it. And then again, it just kind of folds. It won't be perfect, but it's flat. That's the main thing. Flat, fits into the bag. And there you have it. That can go into your frunk or into your sub trunk and stay there the rest of the year.